You may have come across a lot of videos claiming to show how to save a WhatsApp one-time photo or video, but most of them are fake. Some suggest using screen recording to capture the media, while others claim you can just take a screenshot. However, these methods are nothing more than myths. The truth is, there is only one reliable way to save a WhatsApp one-time photo or video, and that is by using another phone. Simply open the one-time photo or video on your primary device, grab another phone and take a picture or record the content from your screen. This is the only method that works, as WhatsApp one-time media feature is designed to prevent saving or sharing the content once it is viewed. So if you want to keep the media, this is your only option. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.